English Talk Show. Learn English through real conversations.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the English Talk Show.
Hi there. We're so glad you're here with us today, whether you're at home, commuting, or taking a walk.
I'm Peter.
And I'm Erica, and this channel is all about helping you improve your English step by step every single day.
With practical tips, real speaking practice, and simple techniques that really work, even if you're learning alone.
And especially if you're just starting out, we speak slowly and clearly so that everyone can understand, even beginners.
Today's episode is super useful. We're going to talk about how to practice speaking English alone using a method called shadowing.
It's a method that works like magic when used daily, and it's one of the fastest ways to improve fluency and pronunciation.
So, if you've ever thought, I want to speak English better, but I don't have anyone to talk to, this episode is for you.
That's right. And if you stay with us until the end, we'll guide you step by step on how to use shadowing effectively.
And we'll even do some live shadowing practice with you, so don't go anywhere.
Also, before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next episodes.
And leave us a comment. Tell us, have you ever tried shadowing before, or is this your first time?
Okay, let's dive right into it. Peter, how would you describe shadowing to someone who's never heard of it?
Great question. Shadowing is basically listening to a native speaker and repeating what they say right after, like an echo.
Exactly. You try to match the speaker's tone, speed, and pronunciation. It's like becoming their shadow.
And you don't stop to translate. You don't write anything down. You just listen and speak.
It sounds simple, right? But it's actually one of the most effective ways to sound more natural in English.
The cool thing is, you can do it alone. You don't need a teacher or a partner, just your voice and a little time.
And consistency. That's the secret ingredient. Even 10 minutes a day of shadowing can make a huge difference.
Let's break it down. There are a few key steps to follow when you shadow correctly.
First, you choose your audio. It can be a podcast, a YouTube video, or even a movie scene.
Then, you listen once without repeating, just to get the general idea.
Next, you listen again and start shadowing, sentence by sentence, or phrase by phrase.
Don't worry if you can't catch every word at first. The goal is flow and rhythm, not perfection.
Exactly. You're training your mouth and brain to move together, like a musician learning a new song.
And the more you do it, the better your pronunciation, intonation, and fluency become.
We're going to show you a simple way to practice that in just a moment. Are you ready?
All right, let's walk through a real shadowing example so our listeners can try it right now.
Great idea. If you're listening, get ready to repeat after us. You can whisper or speak out loud, whatever feels comfortable.
We'll say a simple sentence. You listen first, then repeat. Ready? I'm learning English every day.
Now you try it. Go ahead. I'm learning English every day.
Again, but this time, try to copy our rhythm and tone. I'm learning English every day.
Nice job! That's exactly how shadowing works. Simple, right?
Let's do another. Listen carefully. Speaking English is getting easier.
Your turn. Speaking English is getting easier. Say it with confidence.
And again, speaking English is getting easier.
Perfect. Even just a few repetitions can help your brain lock in the pattern of natural English.
The more you do this, the more automatic your speaking becomes. No translating, just speaking.
It's like building a muscle. The more you train, the stronger your English voice becomes.
Let's talk about why this works so well. When you shadow, you're practicing 3 things at the same time.
First, listening. You're paying attention to real spoken English.
Second, speaking. You're training your mouth to move with the right rhythm and sounds.
And third, thinking in English. You're reacting quickly, not translating word by word.
It's a full workout for your English skills, and it feels active, not passive.
Exactly. You're not just watching a video or reading. You're doing. You're speaking. That's what builds fluency.
And the best part? You don't need to wait for anyone. You can practice anytime, anywhere.
On a walk, in the shower, while washing dishes, anywhere you can speak out loud.
Even if you whisper, it still counts. Whispering trains your mouth and memory too. Let's do a short shadowing session together. Like a real mini practice you can use daily.
We'll say a full paragraph slowly. You just listen first. Don't repeat yet.
Here we go. Hi, my name is Alex. I wake up at 7 a.m. every day. I drink coffee and listen to English podcasts.
Let's break that down now, phrase by phrase. Repeat after us.
Hi, my name is Alex.
I wake up at 7 a.m. every day.
I drink coffee and listen to English podcasts.
Say it out loud, or whisper it if you're in public.
Great job! Now try the whole paragraph again with us. Hi, my name is Alex. I wake up at 7 a.m. every day. I drink coffee and listen to English podcasts.
How did that feel? You're building rhythm and memory without studying grammar rules.
And by repeating full sentences, you start to feel how English flows. That's the real magic of shadowing.
You can do this with any short audio. Choose something you enjoy. Interviews, short dialogues, or even this podcast.
Just be sure the speaker talks clearly and naturally. You don't need complicated vocabulary, just real English.
One trick we love: pause and shadow. Press pause after each sentence, then repeat before moving on.
And don't worry if you miss words, just keep going. It's about rhythm, not perfection.
Exactly. Even if you catch 70% of it, that's still amazing practice.
Let's try another one. Ready? Listen first. I'm learning to speak English with confidence. I practice every day.
Now your turn. I'm learning to speak English with confidence.
I practice every day.
Say it again and mean it.
Awesome work! You're doing exactly what fluent speakers did when they started out.
In the next part, we'll share how to build a daily shadowing habit that actually sticks.
Okay, let's talk about how to make shadowing part of your daily routine.
That's the key to real improvement, doing it every day, even for just 5 or 10 minutes.
The best way to start is by connecting shadowing to a habit you already have.
For example, right after breakfast, or during your morning walk, or just before bed.
We call that habit stacking. You add a new habit to something you already do.
Let's say you drink coffee every morning. Why not shadow a short English clip while you sip?
Or maybe you brush your teeth and then do 2 minutes of shadowing right after. Easy, right?
You don't need to make it complicated. Simplicity is the secret to consistency.
Also, prepare your materials in advance. Save 1 or 2 videos you like and reuse them for practice.
Familiar audio is actually great for shadowing. You already know the meaning. Now focus on the rhythm and sound.
Repetition is your friend. Don't be afraid to shadow the same clip 5, 10, even 20 times.
Each time, your brain picks up something new, a better intonation, a stronger flow, clearer pronunciation.
Another tip, set a timer. If you're busy, say, I'll shadow for just 4 minutes today. That's enough.
Once you start, you'll usually go longer. The hardest part is beginning.
And when you finish, celebrate. Say to yourself, I showed up. I practiced. I'm proud.
You can even keep a small notebook. Write the date and a simple note. Shadowed 5 minutes. Topic, travel.
Seeing your progress will keep you motivated. It's a visual reminder that you're improving, little by little.
And if you miss a day, no problem. Just begin again tomorrow. Consistency over time beats perfection.
All right, now that you've got the basics, let's talk about some advanced shadowing techniques.
These are great if you've been practicing for a while and want to sound more natural and fluent.
First, try what we call delayed shadowing. You wait 1 or 2 seconds before repeating the sentence.
That delay forces your brain to remember and process the sentence more deeply.
It's like this. I really enjoyed the movie. You wait, then say, I really enjoyed the movie.
It's more challenging, but it improves your memory, grammar intuition, and speaking flow.
Another tip, mimic the emotion of the speaker. Don't just copy the words, copy the feeling.
If the speaker is excited, sound excited. If they're serious, lower your tone.
This builds what we call intonation awareness, the musical side of English.
And it makes you sound less robotic and more expressive, like a native speaker.
Also, try shadowing in short bursts. Set a timer for 2 minutes and go all in. Full energy, full focus.
That short, intense practice is better than a tired, distracted 15-minute session.
Another idea? Record yourself shadowing, then play it back and compare it to the original speaker.
You'll notice your mistakes, but you'll also notice your progress.
Here's a fun one: silent shadowing. Move your mouth without making sound, like lip syncing.
It trains your mouth muscles and improves rhythm. Perfect if you're in a quiet place.
You can also do backward shadowing. Repeat the last sentence, then go one sentence earlier, and so on.
It's tricky but powerful. It forces deep focus and helps you break away from passive listening.
Finally, add physical movement. Walk around, use your hands, make it feel like a real conversation.
When your body moves, your brain wakes up and language becomes more natural.
Okay, we've covered a lot. Before we wrap up, let's talk about something really important. Your voice matters.
Yes. If you're listening right now, we want you to know you can speak English. You're already doing it.
Even if it feels slow or strange or hard, every word you speak is progress.
And if you're using the shadowing method, you're building fluency one sentence at a time.
Learning a language takes time, but it doesn't take talent. It takes consistency and courage.
You don't need to be perfect. You just need to show up, speak out loud, and keep going.
The more you speak, the more confident you become. Fluency grows from repetition.
So if you practiced with us today, even for 5 minutes, you're winning. Seriously.
Be proud of yourself. You're investing in your future, in your voice, in your dreams.
And remember, you're not alone. There are millions of learners just like you, all over the world.
Here on the English Talk Show, you're part of a global community. We're learning together.
So keep going. Re-listen to this episode. Try shadowing with other videos, songs, or podcasts you enjoy.
Practice in the morning, during your lunch break, or at night, whenever works for you.
And every time you speak, even if no one hears you, your English is growing stronger.
Before we go, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already.
And leave us a comment. What did you shadow today? What part helped you the most?
We read every message, and we love seeing how each of you is progressing.
Also, check out the links in the description. We've got more practice videos and learning guides waiting for you.
And if you found this helpful, share it with a friend who wants to improve their English too.
The more we support each other, the more we all grow together.
Thank you for spending your time with us today. Your effort is inspiring.
Keep speaking, keep shadowing, and most of all, believe in yourself.
We'll see you in the next episode of the English Talk Show.
Take care and keep your English voice alive.